Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my...
What is up, guys? Today we are checking out the Ruko Mini 4K drone 11U, a compact, lightweight drone packed with some serious features for beginners and hobbyists alike. Straight out the box, the 11U comes with a sleek, foldable design, making it super easy to carry anywhere. Even though it's lightweight, it still delivers a stable flight experience thanks to its advanced GPS positioning and smart return to home function, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Now, let's get into this video and show you what this drone can do. What is up, YouTube? And today I'm working a little bit different. I got my big camera out instead of my iPhone, so I'm just wondering what this is actually going to look like. So if this isn't the best quality video like I've been putting out, bear with me. But I got 2 of these cameras and I haven't been using them. They cost a lot. Like I said before, I used to do music videos, and with doing music videos, I can already tell this is heavy. Holy cow. But with doing music videos, you gotta have camera equipment. So I got my long lens in here with my other camera, and I got this camera that I'm just vlogging on. So Dre, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a path going from one part of our land to the road, and we almost completed that path. We just need to finish it off and make... Alright, y'all, so we have made it. I think this might be our best option to go down. What y'all think?
We should put like a slide so then we can just go and
A slide?
yeah, just put a slide going down that way so we can just slide down there.
What an imagination, yeah.
Put a little pool under it.
Huh?
Put a little pool or ball pit.
A little pool or ball pit.
We're gonna have to get out to get to the creek, and it's gonna be right beside the road.
Ava, what you think? She done skint her nose up and fell
And inside her
on
nose.
in the driveway earlier.
Not the drive, yeah.
Yeah, in the driveway. What are you talking about?
So she got it right there, and then she got it like one inside of her nose.
Always doing something. The bugs is crazy, ain't they?
Yeah, I put bug spray on. They still not helping.
All right, let's try to get through this woods.
you want me to follow you? You want me to get a little bit closer?
Want me?
Stay up there. Come on, hold that camera and come down here.
Want me to pause it?
Skeezy on the beat,
Oh, now you fine. Get across, cause you was, yeah, so in a hurry that want to get back here, and I kept trying to tell her it's muddy back here. It's muddy. We can't come to the creek every day. Yeah. Well, we have made it back here, and the mosquitoes are so bad. Man, the mosquitoes are bad. So this is actually the path that I wanted to come through, but we're gonna have to make a bridge that maybe floats and doesn't go away, because it floods on this side, but we also need a good walking path to get across where y'all just seen us getting through with the mud. How could we build something that will float and wouldn't go away? Maybe tied to a tree maybe or something, or anchor it down by the tree so it doesn't go away, but when it's low enough it'll sink back down. Maybe that's a good idea.
We have a major problem. I want to stick to.
Move that stick right there. Move it. He got his feet stuck in the mud. Say done for.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, we got so many trees, so many trees, so many trees. All the way down there. We're in the middle section, back part. No, this is from the land overflowing. That's a big old ditch that's running through the middle of the land. And there's actually another one down here. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all that already. So the section that we're living on is actually way up front, but the land is split, as I've been seeing, by these different canals. So we're going to definitely need some culverts and some rocks. But this is starting to look flat over here. This shelf right here looks flat, so we might be able to do. I do definitely think that if we get goats, they will have fun, because they will have a lot of hills to climb. They should be happy with that. If I can get it all fenced in. I think what I might do is come back one day and maybe fence it in with just trees that I drop, you know? Just take the trees and fence it in with the trees that I drop and use that as a fencing. I think that would be cool for the backside anyways. And then I could just, you know, I could put some animals back here too as well, up top. And if it's all cut out up top, I could look down on the animals and we can see this back more surveying for us. One of these days, we have to go, and we have to go and see the other side. But I'm gonna have to do that on a mission by myself because it's hasn't been touched yet, and I don't want to take the baby back there. So, but we're gonna go back up the path we just made and head back to the house. Well, we finally got some time to get it up and out the box and up and in the air after creating that amazing path. We came back later. This is the footage that we got. The highlight of this 4K Ultra HD camera with the wide angle lens and its adjustable tilt, you can capture stunning aerial shots and smooth video footage. Perfect for documenting trips, adventures, or just having fun flying around the homestead. The battery comes with, I think, about 30 minutes of battery time, which is a plus. It comes with intelligent flight models like Follow Me, Waypoints, and Orbit Mode, which makes flying simple and cinematic even for beginners easy. Overall, this is a very budget-friendly drone. As I have had DJI drones for the past couple of years, I think this drone is definitely can compete with that brand. If you're looking for an easy flying 4K drone that won't break the bank, this one is definitely worth the check out.
Easy on the beat,
Well, this is the video for today, and like we say in every video, guys, love, peace, and happiness.